What's here? Come on. This motherfucker clean too.
Hey, baby, you look like goddamn T.I. You hear me? Sir, you look like T.I.
She said you look like T.I., the rapper. Yeah. Come on, Katie. Ooh wee, you ready too. You ready too. They can't do nothing, but they gotta smoke a cigarette, take a sip, take a blast. Come on, Katie.
I watch him shit on goddamn Facebook. How to make this blueberry pie, 3 ingredients, it takes 45 minutes. Open the can of blueberries. Okay. Discard the can. Okay. You know, but it, you know what I'm saying? But it, fuck I did. Oops. I did it again. I made up my mind. Fuck all you. If you motherfuckers are writing reels, write them reels. Okay, so 3 ingredients to the best blueberry pie ever. Can of blueberries, a can of goddamn biscuits, and a motherfucking pan. You know what I'm saying? It takes forever. They getting that bread, you feel me? Duh. Right now, I'm gonna do me. I'm coming though. I got you. Hey, young lady, how are you? Good, good, thank you. That was 2 years ago.
I want to see you do that dive again. Let me count how many seconds it take you to spin down here. Katie, come on, I'm gonna count how many seconds. She can't even swim. You can't even swim. You standing up at the bottom.
Breathe. Hollywood. Dang, stop.
Remember you and Hollywood got in that pool over there?
Yeah.
Hollywood can't breathe like for fuck. Huh? You gotta get up and walk it off. Get up and walk it off. Oh, y'all see that's a back of flip right there. What are you at?
Y'all hitting on that goddamn side. I got something better than that for you. 30 that goddamn G.
Oh yeah.
Break your wallet out.
I eat.
Dead ass. Goddamn granddaddy perp.
I ain't spent.
My fucking dead daddy. You hear me?
I ain't spent 30 a grand on
Yeah,
that.
you will today, man. You will today, T.I. Not for real, no. Okay, only 725. It's a little tip. Buy that little tip for the old white girl. We ain't full with a base on the float. Literally. You feel me?
Come on, mermaid.
I ain't motherfucking Daryl Hannah.
Come on, mermaid.
You ain't Tom goddamn Hanks.
That's my favorite. That's my favorite joint.
We out front.
Come on, I'll stay over here so they won't get on the camera. Katie.
Where you from, Georgia?
Let me cut this shit off.
I don't want to get wet.
Yeah, I would show you what.
Hey, get your girl,
Man, leave the man alone. Go and jump in the water. Go ahead.
Fuck you.
That was a good dive right there. God damn, your pants come off every time you got there jump in the water.
How they built in Georgia, y'all?
Huh?
They here in Greensboro, in the boroughs, they built motherfucking goddamn stout. I wouldn't care to do that to you, brothers. Disrespect you, don't disrespect me.
He ain't disrespect you, Katie. Man, he mind his own business. That's all.
You might want to back down, but I ain't disrespect you.
Right
You
down.
not for disrespect me.
Down, baby.
You not for disrespect me, so calm down.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
get your girl,
I
bro.
like
Get
that.
your girl, please.
That's my homegirl. She good. She ain't gonna fucking with you. Come on.
You're not for disrespect me, though. Nah, ain't nothing sweet.
Can you swim? You gonna do a
Hey,
contest?
just leave me be.
Leave the man alone, Katie. Nah, don't start nothing. God damn.
Nah, he's cool. I like T.I.
God damn. We have fun. My motherfucker want to be bothered. Leave him alone. Come on.
You know, you just work. You get her pleasure.
Hey, leave the man fucking alone. Come on down here.
Nah, man.
Can't force somebody to talk to you, Katie.
Look at me. Bro, I apologize, okay? Look at me. Dead ass, I apologize. Don't shake me off, man, with that blunt. People shake that blunt and be like, I agree, you good. And I won't say another thing.
Do a back flip up. Do another back flip down there. That's 2, huh? That's 2, huh? You did 2, huh, that time?
It's your girl, bro.
Why
I didn't mean to say that.
But he ain't fucking with you.
Oh, yeah, I do a woman of the day. No disrespect to her. I do a white woman of the day. But she was nailed up to a black man. To me, that's a black man thing.
That's anything.
White man out here. You're right, but listen to me. These bitches are them dick suckers, right? But a black man to have a white girl, especially, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. But you know what? Go get your friend.
Nah, he good. He don't feel like being fucked with.
I think all you motherfuckers can suck my fucking dick. What I think. Fuck, I ain't done. Hey, you know what? It ain't that goddamn serious. Look at my G. I ain't coming on you. Why y'all so goddamn fucking serious?
They don't want to talk. Leave them fuck alone.
Real.
Hey, KD. Now you getting my motherfucking nerves. Leave them motherfucking people alone.
Man, take y'all that back in Georgia, baby.
Leave them motherfuckers. What the fuck wrong with you?
Piece of peaches back. Peaches.
What the fuck wrong with you, KD?
I ain't got a whoop. I got females up there.
Well, get that bitch on out here. Get that bitch on out here. Get that motherfucking bitch on out here. I need her.
Nah, don't do it, bro.
Get your people, bro.
I got her. Go ahead. Nah, don't do that.
People, baby.
Man, hey,
Get your people, baby.
let's go.
Get your people, baby.
What the fuck wrong with you?
Fuck them niggas. Fuck
Hey,
them
but
niggas.
you starting shit with them. God damn, KD.
Your blood, motherfucker.
But KD, y'all see KD just starting shit. People don't want to be bothered with KD.
I'm GD, motherfucker.
Oh man,
Ask somebody. Michael.
Mike ain't gonna get involved with that dumb shit. People don't want
to
to
eat them niggas.
For what? For what?
I think I'm being laughing. I mean, I'm being silly. Look,
They don't want to fucking play though. You can't force nobody.
They so serious because they
They don't feel like it.
dicks are, baby.
They don't feel like
Yeah,
it.
niggas dicks is that big.
KD out here starting shit with them people, man.
Who trying to beat you up?
No, they did. No, they did.
What is it?
Hey, she started it. God damn, here we go. I told.
Hey, listen, we down here to work. Ain't nobody else so good.